Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Busan has had a reputation of one of Korea's most expensive cities to travel, and some of that is fair. But here's what most people don't know. Some of the best things you can do in the city cost absolutely nothing. No entry fees, no tickets, no booking required. This is 10 of them, and number 10 might just be the best free thing to do in the entire city. Let's get into it. Number 1. Dadaepo Beach. At the far southwestern end of the city, where the Nakdong River meets the Korea Strait, it's wide open and almost no crowds, because most visitors never come this far. In the evening, the Dadaepo Sunset Fountain of Dreams runs a free musical fountain show, so time your visit for a late afternoon, stay for the sunset, and check out the fountain on your way out. Number 2. Oryukdo Skywalk. A horseshoe-shaped glass walkway bolted to the edge of a cliff 35 meters above the sea. It's free to enter and open year-round. They give you cloth shoe covers before you step on, which somehow makes the whole thing feel even more surreal. The views of Oryukdo Islands and the exact point where the East Sea meets the South Sea are worth the trip alone. Number 3. The Songdo Ocean Skywalk. A curved walkway stretching out over the water near Songdo Beach, with transparent sections that let you look straight down at the sea. It's free to walk, and it connects to the Songdo coastal path along the cliff face and the nearby Yeongung Suspension Bridge. It's Korea's first public beach that has been reinventing itself for years, and this is one of the reasons why it's worth coming back to. Number 4. Gamcheon Culture Village. It's one of the most photographed places in Busan, a hillside neighborhood of colorful stacked homes, narrow alleyways, murals, and rooftop views. Some museums inside charge admission, but the village itself is completely free. Just wander around, because most corners there's something worth stopping for. Number 5. The UN Memorial Cemetery. It's the only United Nations cemetery in the world, and it's the final resting place of soldiers from 11 nations who lost their lives during the Korean War. It's beautifully maintained, remarkably peaceful, and one of the most historically significant sites in the city. It puts Busan's history in context in a way that no museum quite manages. Number 6. Busan Citizens Park. Built on the site of a U.S. military base that occupied this land for over 60 years, it returned to the city in 2014 and transformed into one of Busan's most popular green spaces. It has walking trails, gardens, ponds, public art, and wide open lawns. It also hosts seasonal events throughout the year. Number 7. APEC Naru Park along the Songjeong River. Riverside walking paths, open grassy areas, and has some of the best skyline views in the city after dark when the buildings and bridges light up. It's one of those spots locals go that tourists rarely find. Number 8. And this one most people don't know about. Everyone talks about the Sky Capsule and beach train at Haeundae Blue Line Park, but running alongside the railway for 4.8 kilometers from Mipo to Songjeong is a completely free coastal walking trail, the Busan Green Railway. It has the same views as the paid attractions, but no ticket required. The walk through the tunnels, along the cliff's edge, and past Gwangalli is a generally excellent way to start your day. Number 9. The Igidae Coastal Walk. It's probably the most underrated walk in the entire city. The trail follows rugged cliffs along the coastline, with the sea on one side and views of Busan skyline on the other. Most tourists head to Haeundae and never make it here. It's quieter, more natural, and on a clear day the contrast between the open ocean and the city behind you is generally hard to beat. The full trail is around 4.7 kilometers, and it takes about 2 hours at a comfortable pace. And finally, the one that I said might be the best free thing to do in the city. Every Saturday evening, Gwangalli Beach hosts the Gwangalli M Drone Light Show. It has hundreds of drones forming shapes over the water in front of the Gwangan Bridge. It runs twice nightly, and it's free to watch from the beach. No ticket, no booking, just show up early enough to get a spot on the sand with the bridge behind you. It's one of those things that's generally hard to believe is free until you're standing there watching it. So that's 10 things in Busan, where not a single one is required. Coastal walks, skywalks, historic sites, green spaces, riverside parks, and a free drone show every Saturday night. Busan rewards the people who look beyond the obvious, and most of what's worth finding here costs nothing at all. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe. There's a lot more Busan content coming. Drop a comment below and tell me which one is on your list. See you in the next one.